Hi all, today I'm gonna show you how to download Codename Jump in every iOS and Android device. So let's open the game just to show you that everything works fine. As you can see, the game is loading. So let's go back here and delete the Codename Jump from the device, just to show you step by step how I got the Codename Jump in my device. So first of all, guys, what we need to do is to go in this website that is called cu.gq. Here you can find different lot of games and apps, and here you can search for Codename Jump, but you can search for other games that you want to download that you have in your device. As I said to you, this is the only method that is working perfectly fine for me. I have tested in iOS and Android devices, so my device is compatible and I'm going to proceed with the download. So I got some reports from other users in a forum that in some cases, in some countries, you need to complete some human verification or some captcha, but when I downloaded the Codename Jump previously, I didn't do any of that. So what I did is just waited to download and to go 100% here. And if you wait a little bit, depend on your phone, in your operating system, you're gonna get the Codename Jump in your device. There it is, as you can see. So let's open it. And yeah, the game installed and is running perfectly fine in my device. So as you can see, the game is in the loading state, so I don't want to steal your time anymore, guys. So like, subscribe to get the Codename Jump in your device. Thank you.